Alright guys, Good Noel here, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a free website, completely free. Everything is free. You do not have to pay for a domain name, you do not have to pay for a hosting plan. You can use this website for whatever you want to use it for. Alright, so I will be going to my computer and I will show you practically how you can do this in not up to 15 minutes. So I'll see you. Stay with me. Alright guys, this is Good Noel, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a free website with Google in less than 15 minutes tops. Alright, so Google is going to be giving us a free website. That means we have free hosting on Google. We have free everything we need. We can even use Google Pictures. We can use practically everything we need to create our own website online for free. So this website will be created and it will be launched online for free. Ordinarily, if you wanted to create a website, you'll be needing to buy your domain name and your hosting plan. All right, but Google is giving us all of that for free. You don't actually get a free domain name, but you can use any name you want. So if you want to have a custom domain, then you can equally add it to that. All right, so who can use this website? Anybody can, and you can use this website for whatever you want to do, for your business, for affiliate marketing, for e-commerce, whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this website for yourself. So we head over to the Google site. So I'm just going to open the Google site tab. So what you have to do is you come to your address bar and you type Google sites.google.com. all right, so you hit on enter and it's going to give you an interface like this. All right, I'm already logged in with one of my website, and that's why you can see this way. I'm going to delete these ones. All right, so let me open it in a private tab so you see how it's going to show. If you are new to this, that means you have to log into a Google account. All right, so if you open it, it's going to come up like this. It's going to be this blank. It's going to request for your email or your phone number and ask you to log in. So you need a Google Gmail account for this. So if you have a Gmail account, that means you already have an account here. So you just have to log in with your Gmail. If you do not have a Gmail account, you can just create one. Creating one is free. So you can just create for yourself, your child, or your business, and you'll be ready to go. So that is that for this phase. So we come here and this is how the interface is going to show. Like I said, you can create as many as you want, as much website as you would want for free. So you come here where it says template gallery, and you can select different templates that can suit whatever you want to do. Let's say you have an event planning business. This is a free website template. You can just edit with your own image and your own name, and your website goes live as your own. All right, so if you have a project or a team, you have templates you can use. If you have if you want to create just a single, like a landing page with sales page, stuff like this is perfect for this. I use this one a lot. All right, then if you are hosting a class, stuff like that, you can use this one. Okay, so if you want to do something blank, you can just start blank. If you are feeling like a pro, you can just use the blank option here. But I don't actually like blank. I like to work with a template, so it makes the entire process easy. We are not here to waste time. We are here to just create something that is cool and fast. All right, so I'm just going to use this restaurant for a very simple reason, and that's because yes, we love food. So we are going to select the restaurant template and we edit everything from scratch to finish, and hopefully we get this done in less than 10 minutes. All right, so once you open it, you can see this is how your website is. This is a design of the website. As you can see, it comes with other pages that you can edit here. You can edit everything you see on this page. All right, so from here, if you come down here, you can see all the things you can add. You can add text messages, tests. You can add a table of contents, image carousels. You can add buttons like your call to action or redirect buttons. You can add dividers, placeholders. You can put your YouTube link. You can add calendars, Google Maps, Google Docs, slides, Google Sheets, Google Forms, Google Charts, everything. You can add everything. So you have layouts for pictures and text all here. So you can create a decent website in a very short time. So here you can even embed links, embed codes, and embed drives. All right, so we just want to edit this, and we are going to start editing it right away. All right, so here from the very beginning, this is like the top of our website. This is our header. So you can start by editing the name. So I'm just going to edit it and call it Good Noel Restaurant, because I'm about to start selling food now. Restaurant, how do they spell it? I'm about to start selling food right now. So I can change that font if I do not like it, but I think that's a cool font. That's Playfair. I think it's not bad. Playfair. I'm just going to leave it, but you can change it to any font you want, or you can equally change the color. So I'm just going to change the color there. So from here you can change text color. I'm just going to make it blue because I like blue. So you can remove these I don't know what to call them. You can just remove them there. All right, and you can drag this if you feel okay. You can drag it if you want. Okay, I think that's better. So here we can write a tagline. We can write test for all. Wow, that's dope. I think I should copyright that and sell it. What do you think? Tell me what you think. So I can equally make that blue too. So as you can see, we are almost ready. So here, this is the name of your site when you finish creating it. So I'm just going to name it the same thing. Can I edit that and let me name it Good Noel Restaurant. Good Noel Restaurant. So if you see this restaurant anywhere, you can just send me a message so that we can sue them for stealing my name. So you can add a logo if you have one, but I do not have any logo, so I'm not going to add any logo. All right, but you can add your own if you have one. So you can either edit everything completely here or edit from the top. So I like to edit the front end first before I edit the other pages. All right, so from here you can see all these options here. You can duplicate this page if you want to, so I'm just going to duplicate it so you see. So we have 2 of them here, but if you don't need that for any reason, you can just delete it. All right, so we come down here where we have pictures. We can just click on this picture and change it. So we can replace this image either by uploading it if you have one, or by selecting it. So I'm just going to select because I do not have any picture I want to use for this. So I'm going to go to Google to give us pictures. So we beg Google and we say, please give us pictures of foods, and the good guys at Google will supply us pictures of food. So we have foods here, so you can select anyone you want. I'm just going to select this one, and you insert it, and it's going to change. So you see it's changed. So we can equally edit this this caption here. Let me just say font fill. I don't think that makes sense, but we are just going to leave it that way. All right, so down here you can edit this place where it says it should tell your tell the site viewers about your establishment. So I do not have anything planned, so I'm just going to go to Google and ask Google for good restaurant good restaurant write-ups or samples. All right, so it's expected that you have everything you want to write. You must have them planned out. All right, so you just be filling them in. So I do not have these things, and that's why I'm just trying to get that's why I'm trying to get them from Google. So you have an idea of what you want to do with your website, so it's easy for you to just copy everything from your script or your whatever you want to call it. So this one is taking me to Pinterest. I don't want to go to Pinterest. I just want to get samples, how to write copies for restaurant. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, let's look at this how to describe a good restaurant. So I'm just going to copy anything here. I didn't read it. I'm not going to read it. I just want us to get done with our website. So I come here, I can just copy and then I paste. Boom. So you can see we have it done. You can again edit this text to what you want. All right, so I'm just going to make it, I'm just going to choose this one just so it will be that that we've edited. All right, so down here where you have all these things, you can change these things too. All right, if you do not even need all these templates here, you can delete them and add whatever you want. All right, add whatever you want. So you can just add images here if you want. So I'm just going to drag this image stuff and add it here where we add 2 more images, so we just have a more colorful website. So I'm going to select the image again and go back to Google and tell Google, please, I need more food, give me more food. So they are going to give us more food pictures that we can use. So I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to add it. So down here you can add text to that. So I'm just going to write freshly made. Of course you can write better than that if you have a restaurant. So select another image and we come here where we say Google, we are sorry but we need more food. This is assuming that you say just food, but you know your menu, so you can just list your menu. So I'm just going to pick a pizza for this, and then you put the text again, freshly made. Boom. So I'm practically done here. All right, so here where you have reservation, this is a link. This is a link, is a button, sorry, it's a button, so you can redirect people with this. You want them to make a reservation. If you have a different website and you want them to just contact you, or you are redirecting them somewhere else, you can just embed this link here. So here you already see that you have this reservation, and then you can embed whatever link you have here. So this is just a sample, so I do not have any link I'm embedding or redirecting, so I'm just going to close it. But this is how you do it. So here where you have reservation, you just put whatever you want those people to see. Let's say we say contact us. That's what we want them to see. The moment they tap on that, is going to take them to wherever you want them to come to. So you put the link here. All right, so as you see, that changes to contact us. You can equally do that again down here or wherever you want on the website by adding a button. So we can just drag the button and put it here. Where's the button? Put the button there, and you can put the name. Let's use contact us again. Contact us. So we put the link google.com. So you can move this, move it, put it here, and they can just click on that and they will contact you. So as you can see, we already have a beautiful website, but we are not done yet. Here again where it says contact us, this is a page on our website, so you can still click on that and you edit it. As you can see, this one has another different interface or pictures or information. so you can edit it as it suits you. This one has a location, a Google Map location, so I'm not going to fix this. Not going to fix it, but it's practically the same method. So you just fill everything as you want. Chef, you want people to see who your chefs are, or people who make these delicious meals that you make, you can put the pictures here too, or your whatever your business does, or whatever you do with your business, you can put all the informations you need here, or you can add all the pages you need here. So as you can see here, it says menu. You make a menu of what you sell and the price tag. So this one is saying $5, you name your dish, $5 you name your dish, and you have the picture. So it's a beautiful layout they have for you already. So if you like this template and you are into something like this, you can just edit and publish. All right, so at this point I'm just going to say that we are done. All right, so we want to publish. Once you are done, you can come here and click on publish. But before we publish, let's preview our website and see how it's going to display on both smartphones and desktop. So this is how it's going to display on desktop. All right, like a computer, this is how it's going to display, and I think it's dope. All right, now let's look at how it displays on a tablet. This is how it displays on a tab. And then a regular mobile phone, this is how it's going to display on a regular mobile phone, and I think it's equally good. All right, so once you think you're done, you like it, then you come here. Here it says publish. This is where it gets important, because this is going to be your URL. So if you look from here, you see that when you publish it, this is going to be your site URL. So this simply means that Google is giving you a space to use on the internet for free. That means this is not your custom domain. It doesn't belong to you. It belongs to Google, and this site, you do not own it 100%. All right, but if you want to link your own domain, let's say we just want this thing to be goodnoelrestaurant.com. That's a custom domain. All right, so you are eliminating the use of all these sites that Google blah 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 that you have here that makes this site on ugly. All right, so you just want it to be goodnoel.com. That means you need to add your custom domain. That means you must have purchased this domain and you own it, so you can now manage it and add it to this this page, and then people can use it to access this point. But now I'm assuming that you do not have a domain, so we are just going to continue with what Google has given us. So we publish it, so publish our website, and now we have our link here. You can now copy the link to your published site. So this is the link to our published site. So you copy it, I copy it, and then I paste it again. So you see how it displays, and that's the link you give to people, and you tell them you can visit my website, you can see my article here, blah blah blah. So there you go. This is our website, and this is how you get a free website from Google. All right, so that, my friend, is automatically the end of this video. So that's how you get a free website from Google in less than 20 minutes. If you like this video, you should like this video, like it, so that a lot of persons will get to see it, and YouTube will acknowledge the fact that we are trying to do something useful with this channel. And if you like videos like this, you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's assuming you are not subscribed yet. And yes, that'll be all for today, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. My name is Good Noel. Bye bye.